Ring Bund Johi, Sindhflood2022, a short story by Amjad Sumro. The Dadu issued red alert to people of Taluka Johi district Tadu. The people were suggested to move towards the safe places as soon as possible. But the people of Johi didn't vacate the city and came to the Ring Bund with a determination to save their city from super flood, as in flood 2010. They worked hard together without any discriminations. All the citizens, including laborers, farmers, students, traders, advocates, teachers, doctors, political and religious people, even women and children participated in this struggle. Many citizens used to bring juices, cold drinks, rehydration drinks, and tea for the strugglers. Not only they worked day and night, but also prayed for their city by reciting their holy book. Some of them got injured, but they refused to leave the battle. While working in the nights, their lives were in danger because of poisonous animals and insects. Their courage and boldness increased as the level of water increased. Sometimes the wind became their enemy by producing speedy waves in water that hit the bund. Though 70% of Taluka Johi is flood affected, but citizens were fighting to save the city from flood. And finally, they saved their city from super flood and repeated the history of flood 2010. Many congratulations to the Johians.